Hi crafty friends, it's Mona here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I have a special video for you. I challenged my husband to create a card.
And I said yes. So once again, hello everybody, I am Attila and this is the card I have created. And now let's start the card making. For my project I'm going to use these stamps from Fawn. I won't tell their exact names because I'm lazy, so if you are interested, check out the description box below. There you will find the links for each product. These are the actual stamps and I will use this pink thingy called Misty. Really don't understand the name choice. For the stamping I will use this black ink and I will do it twice to get cleaner edges. Yay! My wifey told me to heat set them to fix the stamping. For this you will need a heat gun or a very hot hairdryer. I don't want to waste your precious time, so in the video I won't show all the coloring, only some of them. But trust me, I colored them all. By the way, if you are not already subscribed to this channel, then shame on you. No, just kidding. But if you don't want to miss my wifey's beautiful creations, then hurry and click the button. No, not that, but the subscribe button below. I have to tell that these Fawn stamps are really cute. Hats off to the designer. It was really interesting to color with these markers, but sometimes hard, because there's no copy-paste here like on my graphic tablet. On the other hand, with my huge experience using these markers for 2 hours, I have to say that these Illustrator markers are really cool. Spectrum Noir, I approve. For the used colors, check the description box below. I added softer highlights with white pencil and stronger highlights with white pen. By the way, reindeers are too stereotyped. These critters look so much better with Santa. At least for me. And these are the finished images cut by my assistant. Yeah, 5 points for Mona. I made some clouds with cloud dyes. Who would have thought that, right? Now Distress Oxide ink. Yes! Next is blending the clouds. I have used soft violet color. Yes, we men also know more colors. Now comes the background blending. Here I am using my wife's totally new brushes. Yes, she was a little afraid first. By the way, these are really funny brushes. They look like a chubby toothbrush. Maybe they are for sharks. I tried to make the night sky a little more interesting with white ink, but I realized that it was unnecessary because the critters covered it. I added stars with white watercolor and a toothbrush, and later, off camera, with white pen. I stamped a sentiment with dark violet ink and I put everything to their place. Ta-da! Here is my finished card. What do you think? Did I meet the challenge? Or do you have any suggestions what I should get from my wifey? We wish you a Merry Christmas with this special card making video.
See you next time. Bye!